I'm Jon Loyens. I'm the Chief Strategy and Data Officer at data.world. I'm also one of the co-founders there. Data.world is a cloud-native enterprise data catalog and governance platform. What's interesting about data.world is that we are a truly hosted SaaS platform. We end up producing a ton of product telemetry data that needs to be analyzed in a way that a lot of other data platforms don't necessarily produce. A lot of traditional BI platforms, and we've used a number of them. There's that promise of self-service there, but they're a little harder to get into for different kinds of personas who are more used to working directly with the data, maybe because they are used to pivot table interfaces or want to be able to explore and drill down on that data. Traditional BI tools don't make that really easy, and a lot of that work, despite those tools being good, was still falling back on our data and analytics team. That's something that Sigma has been absolutely spectacular with, right? Even the collaboration model is phenomenal and really, really modern. We don't have that ramp time problem. Like, you can work on a problem real time with somebody, and then they've learned something along the way as well, and then they can do it themselves next time. And then we've actually seen that in the adoption at our company. The nature of the requests back to the data team has changed more to help us understand this data model or help us tweak this data model that's coming in from Snowflake. Job satisfaction of the data science and analytics team has gone through the roof around this, because that's what they want to be doing. They want to be doing data modeling, building reusable models, publishing data products into our data catalog for people to discover and use. Something that's a little bit more targeted in what they're good at, right?